Hello again. Before getting into our topic today of the cognitive load theory, I'd like to interject some thoughts from Michael Simonson. Specifically, what is the nature of our audience? What is their ages? What grades are they in? Chief editor of our textbook Spectre included a story by John Sweller about the cognitive load theory. Specifically, there's three attributes to the cognitive load theory: extraneous, germane, and intrinsic. The extraneous attribute implies that there's too much information for the learner. Germane information implies that we have something that's motivational or something that's important or of interest to the learner. The intrinsic attribute is something that has difficult concepts, might be abstract, but it's different for each learner. Before describing the effects of the cognitive load theory, I'd like to interject some thoughts from the Thayer method of instruction as written about from Amy Schell. It's a self-study method that was first introduced by the superintendent of the military academy. The Thayer method of instruction might fit well for self-motivated students. I would like to share with you the cognitive load theory modality effect. The modality effect implies that I use two different learning devices or two different venues to try to get a point across. Specifically, if I were to ask you the volume of which these two three-dimensional objects share, and that would be z equals the square root of r squared and x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals 3x, it'd be hard to conceptualize. However, if I showed you a 3D graphing device, it might help you in your visualization of what we're looking for. Flipping the axes, we can see just a little bit of the sphere inside of the cone, and that's the volume we would be talking about. In summation, the visual aspect of looking at the equations and the graphing of the two equations, we get a better idea of what we're looking for. Thank you for your time.